Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by updating your BeatShoe Studio 3 firmware using an iPhone or Mac. This step often fixes audio glitches and improves ANC performance. Charge the headphones fully before testing settings. Battery life is up to 22 hours with ANC on and up to 40 hours with ANC off. Inspect ear cushions and headband seams for dirt or oil. Clean pads gently with a damp cloth and mild soap. A better seal reduces base bleed and increases perceived clarity. Finally, reconnect and confirm the firmware. Next, tune the equalizer on your source device or in a third-party app. Boost bass by about 3 dB and increase treble by roughly 1.5 dB for added clarity. Slightly lower midrange by 2 dB if vocals sound congested. For critical listening, use the included 3.5 cable to bypass Bluetooth compression and reduce latency. Disable unnecessary wireless connections and pair only the active device. If you experience dropouts, forget and repair the headphones and test again with a different audio source. Finally, optimize physical fit and audio sources for consistent improvement. Position cups so they fully cover ears and form a snug seal against the head. A proper seal increases bass response and widens the perceived soundstage. Replace foam pads every 1 to 2 years or when foam compression reduces thickness by 3.5 Choose high-quality audio like 16-bit/44, 1K HZ files, or lossless streaming to minimize artifacts. Use wired listening for studio work and high bitrate streaming for daily use. Test with familiar tracks and iterate on EQ adjustments until satisfied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.